Hello again, guys. Guess what? We just came from work. Okay, our kids decide to go for dinner, which is it's fine. So we decide to cook a dinner for me and my wife. So what I'm gonna do today is one nice and easy, and would you say romantic?
Very romantic.
Kind of romantic dinner.
Yes, very romantic.
I'm gonna cook today. Unbelievably delicious.
Yes.
Am I right?
Oh my god, one of our favorite dishes.
Okay.
I know I always say my favorite dish, but this is really like an easy come home from work dinner. Yes, you guys are gonna love it.
The truth is that all our dishes taste very good. I don't know why, but it does taste good. So we always say
I
it's
don't
our
think we would
favorite.
ever show anything that doesn't taste good.
No, I don't think we would. And by the way, you see how dark it is in the background? It's not that late, you know? The only thing is that it's getting darker earlier right now. So let's start, guys. We have, it's a quick dinner. We don't have such a hard job ahead of us, but we want to start. Okay, so let's go. We're gonna cook today, it's a wild salmon. So I'm gonna make 3 slices since we only 2 of us over here, but I'm sure it's gonna taste so good that I'm gonna want to eat 2 slices. Okay, so let's start marinating them. 1/4 cup of olive oil, 1/4 cup of honey, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar. Now we're gonna use 1 teaspoon of sriracha, 1 clove of garlic. So I'm gonna shred it right now, just like that. 1 teaspoon of ginger. Also, you gotta shred it. So that's all the stuff that goes inside. Now we're gonna whisk it. More likely mix it, if you wanna speak my language, the easy language. Okay, so this is where we're gonna put the salmon right now, and we're gonna let it stay on the side for half an hour. All right, let's put the salmon inside. And we're gonna leave it for half an hour. As long as you leave it, it's better it's gonna taste, okay? Now we're gonna start working on the rice. We're gonna have to do 1.5 cup of rice. Okay, I put 1 cup, this is another half a cup. So I'm gonna put my rice just to toast it a little bit. For a few minutes, maybe like 3-4 minutes. So while my rice is toasting, I have to put 2 cups of water for 1.5 cup of rice that I showed you before. Okay, so let's boil the water right now, and then we're gonna put the rice in. Now that I toasted my rice for like a few minutes, that's good enough. Put it over here. A drop of oil. One of the reasons I'm putting oil because you don't want the rice to get stuck to each other. And mix it. Now I'm gonna add the rice to the water. A drop of salt. Mix it a little bit. Okay, and now we're gonna close it and leave it on a low fire for 20 minutes. Okay, close. I'm gonna start preparing the salad. One cucumber. One orange pepper, a little piece I'm gonna take. Take a little piece of yellow pepper. Now we're gonna put the twisted pepper, approximately this much. They are delicious, you should try them. And pickle, approximately for the amount that I'm doing, this much will be enough. Alright, now we're gonna put dill. For seasoning, I'm gonna put Italian seasoning. Put the amount that you like. You see how much I'm putting? I like the taste of it, so I'm gonna put a little bit extra. Kosher salt. And black pepper. I'm gonna add mayonnaise inside and mix it all up. The salad are ready. The salmon sitting for like half an hour. Now we're gonna start cooking it. No oil, no nothing, because remember inside the mixture I put oil already. for 4 minutes on each side. Over here, the rice is cooking. Soon the rice is going to be ready. So the remaining of the sauce, whatever I put in the mixture of the fish, I'm going to put it in this pot over here. Just like that, you see? Okay. And inside this thing, I'm going to put my asparagus. So the asparagus, you take it, you snap it like this. 4 minutes pass by and I'm going to flip my fish. Look how good it looks. Look how good it looks. My rice is ready. I'm going to plate everything right now. Dinner is ready. As we told you before, we came after work, we cooked the dinner for ourselves, and it was a very easy dinner. This whole thing takes maybe approximately like give and take an hour or so.
Less.
Yeah, even less than an hour, so maybe like
45 minutes.
45 minutes.
First of all, I have to say, the presentation, it looks amazing. It's like the 5-star restaurant presentation.
Yes, it does, yeah.
It looks absolutely gorgeous.
Yeah.
Very appealing to eat.
Okay.
So we're gonna start tasting. What
Yeah,
are
you
we gonna
go.
eat first?
I don't know. You start.
I'm gonna eat a little bit of salmon. I'm gonna take it also a little bit of rice.
So tell me how your husband cooks.
Wow.
It's good.
Oh my god.
Let me try.
Wow. Let me
That's
try
right.
the rice in it, huh?
It tastes so good. If you go to a restaurant, you get charged over $100 for this dinner, you're gonna say it was worth it. That's how good it tastes.
Wow.
It tastes amazing. The salmon, the rice.
Let me try the asparagus. It was cooked in the salmon marinade.
So good. You definitely have to try it at home.
Oh my
Sure.
god.
Let me try the salad a little bit. My mayonnaise salad happened to be one of my preferred salad. I don't know why. I just love this salad. Wow.
Tastes really good.
It was a pleasure being with you. As always, my wife gonna finish it off.
Thank you guys so much for watching. This concludes our video for our delicious meal. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell so you get notified when we post our recipes and our videos. Please don't forget to follow us on all our social medias. Everything will be linked down below. Don't forget to follow our jewelry page. Don't forget to follow my makeup page.
Thank you again for watching. If you need anything with jewelry, LB Diamond, 23 West 47th Street. I would be very happy to help you if you need anything. And even if you need advice, you can always come and ask me. Pleasure being with you. Stay safe. Hope to see you next time.
And
Take care of yourself.
salute.
And salute, guys.